On the evening of July 27th, 2022, Estrella, a 19-year-old female, found herself in a distressing situation after being pulled over by a rookie officer from the Las Cruces Police Department. The officer initially observed Estrella swerving on the road, which prompted the traffic stop. Upon approaching the vehicle, the officer immediately noticed signs of intoxication. Estrella displayed almost every common indication of impairment, from slurred speech to an unsteady gait.
Drinking?
Before Hooters, I was at Hooters, but not somewhere else to drink, because I'm not even 21 yet.
What'd you have to drink?
I had a little cocktail drinks, just the tiny one.
How many of them did you have?
Huh?
How many drinks did you have?
Just 2, and I had my third one. I finished my third one, but technically I was on my fourth one, but I had 3 of them so far. I had all 3 of them, the cocktail mixed drinks.
What kind of drink was it?
The Adios motherfuckers.
You had 2 of those?
3 of those.
3 of those?
My fourth one. I was technically just finished my third one.
Okay.
I had my third one like gone, but I had my third one on the little thing for me and my friend, and then I had my fourth one that I was gonna ask.
So you had 4 so far, and then how many did you have after that?
I had 3, but I was gonna get a fourth one.
You didn't finish it?
No, ma'am, I didn't even finish it. I didn't even start it.
And did you drink anything in the vehicle when you got in the vehicle before you left? No?
I just had that one drink, which wasn't fully there, which is gone, basically, because it was like kind of like warm, but cold at the same way.
Besides the drinking, did you do anything else? Any drugs? No?
No, that's just that one drink. That one solid drink.
Okay. Because you were passed out in the car. Why'd you fall asleep?
Because I had passed out earlier today. I didn't go to sleep this morning. I stayed partying, behind
Stayed
Hooters.
partying?
Yes, ma'am.
Since what time? Do you know what time it is right now?
No, ma'am. Last time I remember it was 10 at night, but I was, over here at Hooters. Not here at Hooters. I was over here driving.
Do you know where you're at right now?
Whataburger.
Okay.
I had, I remember I had passed out. I was pulling up to the sign. She had took her order. I remember it was like $9.19. Ordered a crispy chicken sandwich, mayonnaise.
So they took your order?
Yeah, I just passed out. This always happens. I just pass out as
You always pass out? Why?
Even if I'm not sober or if I'm sober as well. I just always come and I order and pass out. I can't always keep my eyes open most of the time when I'm sober, if I'm not sober. I don't know. Always, I pass out anywhere and everywhere. So,
by sober, what do you mean? As in just drinking alcohol? Or?
Yes, like, just drinking alcohol because I was called. Me, my mom, and my stepdad, we just got back from Wet n Wild this weekend. So, this weekend from Wet n Wild, I rode with them. My stepdad rode my car, or I drove my car because we were behind him Saturday. When I get drunk, I know how I get, so like my mom wanted to leave my car this weekend.
You know how you get, as in?
Like when I drive, she didn't want me to like run into someone else or like just.
Has it happened before?
No. Just when I'm drinking, she just doesn't want that to happen because I had someone hit me when I just bought my car. So I just got my car in April. I just barely got that. That was my first car I ever got. I got that on April 9th. I bought my car on April 9th. I didn't get my car fully till the week after. Which
so
is like
you
April
did have
15th.
about 3 drinks and a half tonight?
Yes, but I didn't.
Okay.
Like.
So it's because you did pass out right here in the driver's seat. I'm going to ask you if you're willing to submit to some field sobriety tests because I need to know if you're able to drive for you to go home.
Yeah.
You're willing to submit to them?
Well, I'll submit to a sobriety test.
Okay.
The rookie officer, following standard procedure, administered a series of field sobriety tests to assess her ability to drive safely. Estrella, though cooperative, struggled to complete the exercises. She admitted to drinking alcohol earlier that night at a party, mentioning that she had consumed around 3 to 4 drinks. Despite her attempts to explain that she had been awake for an extended period and was simply tired, the officer's observations pointed to her being under the influence.
So I'm going to have you go ahead and stand over here. That way we're not... Over here, ma'am?
Do you have shoes or chanclas?
Yeah, you can get those because I want to stand in my Hooters bottoms for work. So I don't have anything else. But I have my Hooters. bottle.
That Dos Equis, did you drink it?
No.
It's been there for a while?
Yes. After I was leaving the party, it was on the sidewalk, and I didn't want the the sidewalk to have it. The party was over there, off of behind Hooters. It wasn't after the stoplight. It was right there in this Hooters spot. And the Hooters, like, distance between Hooters, or like between the light and the Hooters stoplight, or I don't know how to describe it. I just know it's behind Hooters, and it's red circle. No, it's deer circle. I don't know.
Go ahead and just put your shoes on for me so we can walk over there. And just walk straight over there. Stand right here on this line. So you're willing to submit to the test, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. She's taller than me. I'm gonna have you go ahead and no. I'm gonna have you follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only, okay?
Okay. Well, it's because I'm not used to having, except this is my first car I've ever gotten. I've never had a car ever before this. So, like, the stuff that I have now is, like, new to me. So, like, me having my own car by myself, me having my own place by myself with my roommate is still new to me. So, like, I don't know. Just seeing it from far and away, I'm still not used to it. I don't know. It's still weird. But it's different. But I'm still happy for it because I still got it myself. I bought a 2018 Honda Elantra Sport Edition on my own, and it's my first car ever. And I got kicked out of high school, so I didn't finish my first semester my senior year. So, and for me getting that from just working.
All right, so we're gonna do the next test, okay?
Right.
You're standing in that straight line. You can see it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna have you go ahead and put your left foot on that line. You're gonna put your right foot in front of it, touching heel to toe. With your eyes to your side, you're gonna leave them on your side the whole time. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Oh my God,
You're gonna leave them. Okay, you're gonna leave them there. What you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be taking 9 heel to toe steps down that straight line. When you reach your 9th step, you're gonna leave your lead foot planted. You're gonna take a series of small steps back, and you're gonna take another 9 heel to toe steps down that line.
Okay.
Whole time you're gonna be looking at your feet. Go ahead and leave your hands to your side. You're gonna stay in that position until I tell you otherwise. Okay? Whole time. Go ahead and stay in that position, how you would. Don't move from there. With your arms to your side. Okay, you may begin.
I misunderstood the first time.
Okay. So for this next test, I'm going to have you stand like this with your arms to your side the whole time. You're going to remain in that position unless I tell you otherwise, okay? You're going to choose a foot of your choice. I'm going to be doing my right foot. Go ahead and just stand there straight. Don't move. You're going to choose a foot of your choice. I'm going to be doing my right foot. You can do your left or your right, whichever you feel more comfortable. Leave your hands to your side, please. Like this.
I was putting my first time.
Okay. Just leave them to your side the whole time, okay? I'm going to do my right foot. You can do whichever, left or right. You're going to raise it about 6 inches above the ground, parallel to the ground. Whole time it's going to be parallel. You're going to keep your hands to your side. The whole time you're going to be counting 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, until I tell you to stop, okay?
In addition to her impaired physical performance, Estrella seemed confused and unable to focus on the tasks at hand, such as following the officer's pen with her eyes, or walking heel to toe along a straight line. She also admitted that she had been partying earlier in the day and had not slept, further complicating her condition. Estrella's mother and stepfather had previously expressed concerns about her drinking and driving, particularly since the young driver had been involved in a crash shortly after purchasing her first car just a few months earlier. They were worried about her safety behind the wheel while intoxicated, especially given the signs of her current state.
Good decision.
I'm gonna go ahead and arrest her.
I'm not sure.
I filled out my HGN. All right, ma'am, go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
Do you have a phone in there that needs to go with you?
I have my phone in there.
Okay. Like grab your ID, your phone. You can't take a purse. Do you have a wallet?
I'm gonna put it in there. Well, it's just my purse.
And have you go ahead and walk over here towards me.
My hair behind my ear really quick.
You want what?
Can you put it in my hair behind my ear really quick?
This one?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. I just never been arrested before, so this is experience for me.
I'm gonna go ahead and just search you. Go ahead and step out really quick before. I know you have your shorts on, but I'm just gonna make sure you go ahead and turn that way. I'm gonna lift your. Okay, you can go ahead and go back in there. Yes, sir. Thank you. All right, listen to me. I'm about to tell you something important. You're under arrest for DWI. The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit to a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take our test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test. If you choose to take the additional independent test, you have the right to a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician, a licensed nurse, or laboratory technician or technologist who is employed by a hospital or physician of your own choice to perform an additional chemical test. The cost of this additional test will be paid by the law enforcement agency. Do you agree to take our test? I need you to tell me yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
After completing the field sobriety tests, which she struggled to perform, the rookie officer determined that Estrella was unfit to drive and placed her under arrest for driving under the influence, DUI. She was read her rights and informed of her options, including submitting to a breathalyzer test. Estrella agreed to take the test, and she was subsequently taken to the Las Cruces Detention Center for processing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And step out. Here. Hold on, just wait right there. Go ahead and walk that way straight.
This one.
Go ahead and walk in. There you go. Now you go ahead and stand up, okay?
No.
What are you doing?
Bring it back behind her because
It's like doing it on the front.
Just go ahead and stand right here, face the wall.
good. Don't have to step back, please.
How do I return the receipt? And go ahead and put your feet down, that way you can get to the other cup.
Try and face the wall a little.
And I have to move on. Go over there that way.
Is it because they're in your front?
Yep.
Sorry.
Okay, put them behind your back now. While you have them. There. Just go ahead and stand here facing the wall. A little bit more. From this way.
And just keep me in here. It's warm in there. It's cold.
Go ahead and go in.
Though it was Estrella's first arrest and she had only recently purchased her car, the incident served as a stark reminder of the dangers of impaired driving. The rookie officer, though new to the job, followed the appropriate procedures and ensured Estrella was arrested to prevent any further risk to herself and others on the road. Exactly 5 months later, on December 27, 2022, Estrella found herself in trouble again. This time, she was arrested for driving while license suspended and failure to appear. This arrest came after she failed to resolve the legal issues stemming from her previous DUI arrest, which had led to her driver's license being suspended.
Just go ahead and face the wall. Okay? I'm gonna take them off. When I take them off, go ahead and put your hand up over your head, okay? Yeah, they're gonna come off. I'm gonna have you take off your earrings right now. Put your hand up over your head. This one too. Go ahead and take a seat. I'm gonna have you take off your earrings, okay? If you can. Just take it.
I've been on this since 20.
Just sit down so she can check it.
Estrella placed under arrest for driving under the influence, DUI.